Hey team, it's the presenter here. I like having friends. Friends are cool because you can share things. Microsoft Office products also like to have friends, believe it or not. Word and Excel, they're besties. And because they're besties, they like to share things. You can actually embed Microsoft Excel components such as spreadsheets and graphs and stuff like that into Word documents. This is pretty handy. It saves you making tables and stuff in Microsoft Word and re-inputting data that you've already input into Microsoft Excel. It's also really handy because think of it as like a portal, okay? You can put the stuff into Microsoft Word from Microsoft Excel, but if you go into Microsoft Excel and actually change some data around, put some new formulas in, whatever you want to do, those changes are actually going to be seen and reflected into the embedded components in Microsoft Word. It's pretty awesome, I'm not going to lie. So let's have a look and see what we can find. Learn some stuff. Okay, so we can see on my screen I've opened up my practice letter to Neil, and just scrolling through I can see these two boxes here. One says presenter to insert spreadsheet link here. The second, presenter to insert pie chart link here. Okay. I've also got open my Microsoft Excel document, and I can see that I've got my Excel data here from Dig Site 1. And if I click on the tab down the bottom, Chart 1, I can also see that I've got my my pie chart. Perfect. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and delete that square because it was really just a placeholder, and I'm going to go insert, and then I am going to go to Excel, and I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to go copy, go back into my Word document, I'm going to go paste, but I'm going to click on this little arrow down here, and I'm going to go and find paste special. Now this brings up this little box. I want it to be a Microsoft Excel worksheet object because really that's what it is. And then I'm just going to hit OK. So now that's it. I've done it. I've taken this data from Excel and popped it into Word, and I've made sure that that link is open. So I've pasted special, I've specially pasted it into the wrong area. So I might just delete that and move it to where it needs to be. Now what was down here was the pie chart. It's going to be the exact same thing. Go into chart, copy. Okay, I just right clicked and pressed copy. In the space, paste special, Microsoft Excel chart object. Okay. And then from there I can change the size so it actually fits on my document. And if I want to move it around a little bit, I can right click, format object, layout, and just put it square. Okay, so that means I can move it around if I need to. So now all I have to do is tidy up my document a little bit. Move that there. Bring that back up. That's it. that's all you have to do. I can format this as well actually, make it look really nice. Square, okay. Now I can make that a bit bigger, bring it down a bit. Perfect. So now all I have to do is hit save and I'm done. That's it. That's all you have to do to embed Microsoft Excel objects into Microsoft Word. So go ahead, do the examples. It's going to be really quick. Have fun.